Alright folks, now it's fully installed. I'm going to start off with the light kit. I put an LED bulb in here. Stay there, you. Okay. And start off on fast. Yeah, it's kind of a delicate process getting that canopy screwed in, because if you screw it too hard, it's plastic. You know, the screw threads, the internal screw threads are plastic, so you're just going to strip them. You don't screw it hard enough, it's going to fall down. So this is the lesser of two evils. So once I stop it, I'll put it in a little harder and without using too much force. It's kind of a delicate balance. And the medium setting. Yeah, the camera died about halfway through into the when I was assembling it, so I had to do the rest off camera. But you didn't miss much, I promise. And as of this moment, you know, the fan isn't for sale or trade, but who knows the future will bring. I'm always looking for primarily industrial ceiling fans. If you can find any, you know, Dayton Laskos, Gold Lines, Crompton Greaves Encons, you know, some residential fans I'm looking for, New Tone Veranda Deluxes, Casablanca Spirit of Saturns. If you know, let me know what you've got. You know, I'll either buy them off you, or I have lots of cool fans for trade as well. And the spin down. You may be asking why I'm putting my hands on the light kit when I pull the chain. That's because it's such a light fan that when I pull the chain, you know, I don't want to pull it straight down, but you know, you pull it to the side, so it's less strain on the switch. But if you pull it to the side, it just, you know, it pulls the entire fan. So now I'm going to try to install this, pitch this canopy up a little, yeah, a little tighter, not much, but there we go. Hopefully that'll stay. And it does have the reverse switch on here. I mean, this is so delightfully cheap and tawdry. It's like right out of the 90s when they started, you know, making everything, you know, with less quality. But it's just, it's all just plastic, you know, you've got to love it. They actually had a sale, $4 for a set of these 4 LED bulbs at the Tingsboro Habitat. So I bought a box of them, you know, a box of 4. They're pretty bright. Use my magic wand here. Damn it. Later. Okay. And cap these back off so there's no, you don't get any surprises. And these are the original wire nuts that came with it. And I'll wrap the original light kit fortune on here. Kind of reminds me of the, you know, inside of a fortune cookie. And a little blue cap. And this is what it looks like sans light kit. Oh, right, yeah. One of the most important things is unplug it if you're going to be messing around with the light kit and the anything electrical. Switch it back. For one thing, 'cause it's so hot in here. And you know, for what it is, it's not a bad little fan. You know, I mean, this was back in '93. This was under $30 for the fan with the light kit, and you know, it does move air. It you know, it does exactly what it's supposed to. You know, it's a basic, cheap little fan, but you know. It's definitely not a Casablanca or anything higher end, but it does exactly, you know, what a fan of this caliber should do. You know, it moves air. It's kind of pretty to look at, and I think 27 bucks or something like that back in '93, and I paid significantly more than that when I bought it, but you know, I bought it new in the box on eBay. It was a buy it now, sort of an impulse buy, and you know, it's all right. I have no intention on getting rid of it anytime soon, because I know I'm not going to make anything on it, so I'm probably going to end up losing money if I sell it, or you know, I might save it as a trade for somebody, or probably just hang on to it, and might even install it somewhere in the house here. But anyway, thanks a lot for watching this, folks. Please do stay tuned for more fan videos. Yeah, check out the rest of my YouTube videos here on the Fancave, and you can check out my Facebook page of the same name. My name is Mark Wilson. Feel free to shoot me a friend request if I know you from the ceiling fan groups or whatever. And yeah, thanks for watching. Good night and good luck.